Hello, it's me, Ukulele Sean, and in today's video we're going to be learning how to play Stand By Me by Benny King. Now this song only uses 4 chords, and they are the chord of an A major. To play the A major, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 4. Strings 4 is the string which is closest to our face, and frets 2 is the second box along. Then place fingers number 1 on frets number 1 of strings 3, then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is your A major chord. The next chord is the F sharp minor. To play the F sharp minor, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 4, then place fingers number 1 on frets number 1 of strings 3, then place fingers number 3 on frets number 2 of strings 2, then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is the F sharp minor. The next chord is the D major chord. To play the D major, place fingers number 1 on frets number 2 of strings 4, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 3, then place fingers number 3 on frets number 2 of strings 2, then strum all 4 strings down to the ground. And that there is the D major chord. And last but by no means least, the E7 chord. To play the E7, place fingers number 1 on frets number 1 of strings 4, then place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 3, then place fingers number 3 on frets number 2 of strings 1, then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is the E7 chord, and they are the 4 chords which we're going to be needing for today's song. Now the suggested strumming pattern for today's song is down, 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 and it sounds like this. Now what I'm doing is I'm just tapping my fingers on the strings to have that little bit of a gap in between. Now if you do find that too difficult, there's absolutely nothing wrong with just strumming down once per chord change. Now to know when to change the chords, my buddy Jerry the Shark will be landing on the correct chord at the correct part of the song to change your chords to, if that made any sense. Right, so now it's time for the play along to Stand By Me. Now if you want to sing along, you're probably going to do a much better job at singing this song than I am. I can't even get my words out properly. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see, no, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand down. Stand by me, stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble to the sea, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me, stand by me. So there we are, that's how to play Stand By Me. Unfortunately, that is all we've got time for today. Please show your support by subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to support the channel even further, I am on Patreon at patreon.com/ukulelesean, where you'll gain full access to a large variety of colourful PDF song sheets with chords, lyrics and strumming patterns for every single video I upload to YouTube. So until next time, goodbye!